Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Anker SoundCore Liberty Air 2 with iPhone device. So in order to do this, first make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Next is to open the case. You can take out both of the earbuds. If they don't appear right here, now pick up the earbuds. You can find these LED lamps right here on top, so hold the multifunctional button with your fingers until they start flashing fast. When they do, they should appear in the devices, and now we can connect them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.